students. Today's subject Geography. Today we are going to learn about the topic disasters and disaster management. Students, what will we learn about in this block? Geologic hazards induce disasters, disasters affecting coastal areas, climate induced disasters, disaster preponderance and hazard mapping. Today only you learn the geologic hazards induced disasters. Students, next you learn the A. What is the aim of in this lesson? Explain disaster management in relation to natural disaster caused by geologic hazards. Students, next you learn the keywords. Today keywords are vulnerable, catastrophic, geologic hazards, mitigation, disaster management. These also the today keywords. Students, next you see the picture. What can you identify in this picture? Did you know, students? Yes, this is the natural disasters. Students, I asking one question. Listen carefully. Next you tell the answer. Okay. What are the common natural disasters? Did you know, students? Yes. The earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunami, landslides, floods, droughts, wildfires. These also the common natural disasters. Students, next you learn the action part. What risks do people face due to natural events like earthquakes, cyclone, tsunamis and other natural disasters? Can you think about the question, students? Yes. Such people are vulnerable to dangers called hazards. When natural hazards adversely affect people, they become natural disasters. Natural disasters are catastrophic events that are extreme and usually sudden. Hazards lead to disasters, which in turn lead to injury as well as loss of life and property. Students, next you learn the analysis part. Which disasters may be caused by geologic hazards? Who are vulnerable to geologic disasters? Did you know, students? Yes. Students, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are disasters that are caused by geologic hazards. Students, and then next question, who are vulnerable to geologic disasters? People living in densely populated areas or earthquake prone areas or near active volcanoes are vulnerable to geological disasters. Students, finally you learn the higher order thinking. Suggest long-term planning to mitigate the effect of disasters caused by earthquakes. Did you know, students? Yes. Long-term planning like making buildings which can withstand earthquakes, restricting construction activities or overcrowding in earthquake zones, testing soil condition to check if the building foundation will be strong or some mitigation measures. Thank you, students. You are observing the video and complete the worksheet.